Okay, here we are at the Londoner, late at night. We got all that light. There's a big band right there. Venetian Casino, Parisian Casino, Skyway that connects all three. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go inside, kind of start in another part of the casino, and then come out here and film. And yeah, beware of the music. It's gonna be loud. I'll try to turn it off. Might just give up. We'll see. Continue battle. But this is Londoner, and we're in Macau. We're in Londoner. We got lots of people. It is full on post-COVID with Elton John in the background, which means I can't play it for very long. But we're going to be checking out the Londoner, and we're going to be walking down that way and try to go outside as well, and inside. Let's do it. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. So there's part of the Londoner. There's lots of tourists coming in here. Elton John's in the background, and it just ended, which is perfect because that means I can play this and record a little bit until the music comes on again. And I'm going to try to go outside a little bit and show you what it looks like. And we'll kind of pop in, pop out, showing you different video images. There's Galleria. But yeah, this is Londoner, and we're kind of at one particular side. Okay, music. Let's get out of here. Go down there somewhere. Wait till the music ends, and I'll turn it on again. Londoner, Macau. Beautiful chandeliers. And we got lots of people down that way. But we got more Elton John as well. Okay. A little bit of Londoner for you. There's all kinds of cool stuff. You can pretty much go in every direction here. But music's kind of going to affect me a little bit, so this is Shake Shack. So this is a fast food place. Now they have Five Guys, so I was kind of wondering if it's going to affect it. I was talking to some Macanese, local Chinese people who live in Macau. They're telling me they prefer this one over Five Guys. To me, Five Guys is a clear winner, but it is what it is. So this one right here is the Londoner, and that's the kind of main thing, and that's the Shake Shack over in that corner. That's Shake Shack. This is this entrance. It should go down there, and they got loud Elton John music, so that also I'm going to keep turning the phone on and off. I'm trying to avoid that. Okay, music stopped temporarily, but there's amazing songs coming up next. So that means I also can't record much. But we got Cheesecake Factory, Starbucks, and then there's an iPhone store right up there. So we're gonna go down into that store in a second, and I gotta look for some iPhone stuff and see what they got here. Look at that line. This is a line for Cheesecake Factory. Tons of people. And we're gonna go down into the iPhone store. And this is all at the Londoner. And we're gonna go right in there. I have to go downstairs, but okay, so we're gonna head on down, and we're actually gonna go down that way. We just went to the iPhone store and got what I need to do, and we're gonna go down. Just kind of show you real quick. So we're gonna go out those doors and just walk around a little bit. Okay, so this is St. Regis Hotel. A lot of people will photograph this. This is kind of where we are. The iPhone store is directly down that way, all the way down that way. I think we could go out that way, or we could go down this way around like that. So we'll go down like that. Music is a little bit loud, as usual. Here's Churchill's. Got a nice bakery there. We'll go all the way down. So there's Churchill's inside. And I hope the music is not so loud on the outside as well. We'll find out. Kind of want to film without having to turn off the camera. But it is what it is. That's the reality of being in the casinos. I think it's okay now. That Shake Shack was up there, I believe, and we're going to be heading down this way. We're gonna head outside, that's what we're gonna do. Churchill's table. Let's take a look. And it looks like the music is kind of slowing down a little bit, so I can actually relax. Let's get out and see if the music is still on. One door. Still on, okay. Let's see. And the music is off. Good. So I guess we can kind of walk this way. And what we're going to try to do is walk across like this. That looks like a taxi stand over there. Got lots of rain here. It's Venetian. The lighting is amazing. So I guess that's a skyway that connects to Venetian and also connects to Parisian. And it looks like we have to go back in. There's the Churchill's again. So I guess we're gonna come out like this and go towards inside again. So I think there's a Big Ben statue, but I want to go this way. So we're gonna go this way. Try to get through some of the people here. Oh, more music. Dang it. That music is gonna affect the video. We'll just try to go through it anyways. That music is okay, so we're gonna keep on moving through. Okay, let me see how we can get through here. Okay. That music, it's too bad about the music. It's actually kind of cool to be filming out here, so. It's a rainy day, as you can see. There's a Big Ben. So we're gonna go all the way this way. Okay. So that's a Big Ben, ready night, Venetian over there. Taipa ferry terminal, loud music. Bus, and that's a skyway, it goes to Venetian as well. So we are going to try to go down this way. And I'll just play it with the music. I'm tired of fighting casino music. Venetian over there. So let's see if we can go in. No, we cannot. Actually, a lot of cameras are set up, so there's a lot of okay. Pretty beautiful building though. It's actually kind of nice at nighttime, and actually, to be honest, this is the Londoner, so it kind of makes sense. So I guess what we're going to do is we're going to take the camera that way and go back in again. Okay, so we're going to go back in like this. Skyway, Venetian. Got all kinds of cool stuff up here. Nice lighting as well. Okay. Londoner. All right. Pretty cool. Actually, you used to be able to come in here, but it looks like it's closed for now. But they had it so it was open where people could come in, take a look around, get a camera on the inside. Okay, so we got lots of people. Music is amazing. I gave up trying to stop the music. And I think what we're gonna do is just kind of walk through some of the Instagrammable parts. And now that I've completely given up on the there's tons of people all the way down that way, but there's also lots of them down here too. So what we're gonna do is walk down here and show you some of the Instagrammable ones and enjoy the music. Giving up, trying to fight the music. And I think all the way down is this, I'll just turn it on up there. So these are kind of the more Instagrammable ones. So we have like golf club, kind of a Londoner, London image, vintage record store. It's here. Yeah, if only these were real, you know. They got a door right there, but it's there's nothing in there. I've opened it before. But yeah, these are the Instagrammable shots of the city. And over there is a restaurant. And over there is an Instagrammable shot. Let's grab a random person and have them stand in front of this. Can you, random person? Stand right there. Thank you, random person. Let me take a look. See, that looks cool. If you had a phone, you could get a random person just standing there like that, looking like they're in the streets of London like that. Amazing. Thank you, random person. Give me 5. Yeah, thank you. Okay, so we're gonna leave our random person and we're gonna go check out the bus. So that's our little hot pot shop. And then this actually has all this kind of imagery in here, so you can see someone riding the bus, passengers everywhere. And I think those passengers will keep changing as well. Of course, the kids love it. There's more Instagrammable shots all the way down. Giant French fries for people that love French fries. Random people, do you like French fries? I guess he does. I asked if he liked French fries and he pointed towards probably where French fries are at. Well, let's go see if he wants to find those. He's pointing me this way, the random person is. Okay. Music is great. Now that I've given up on the music part, we got more Instagram shots. So you got Uncle Candace's Bakery. See if there's a random person that can walk along there. See how Instagrammable that is, like that. It's very Instagrammable. Let's see if their Instagrammable person will stand near the takeout shop right there. Hi, random person, can you come here and hang out like you're gonna order that food right there? Wow, that does look like a pretty good shot. So if you had Instagram and you needed to put up your photos, you could have some of that. We just use a random stranger. So thank you, random stranger. And we're gonna go down this way towards the Londoner Theatre, then we're gonna get some cheese. More Instagrammable shots. Let's see how this sticks with a random stranger. Looks pretty good. Okay. So we're gonna keep on moving down. We got the Londoner Theatre, and then we're gonna take a ride. I think we might be coming near a casino right here, so we'll see. Yeah, that's casino, so that's the Londoner Theatre. And we're just gonna walk all the way down. But I think we're gonna run out of people, so I'm gonna end it. There's the theater. Okay, so we are gonna be leaving Londoner, so we're coming out over by the receptionist right here. And we have, basically when we first came in, I parked at a car park is what I did, because I live here. Macau is my home. And we basically were right here when we came in. So I was showing you upstairs, and there was a bunch of loud noises up there, right? Music, sorry. Not noises, but music. So we were basically up there, so I'm gonna go back there to the car park. And I guess since we started here, we'll end it here as well, but this is the Londoner. Okay. Hey, checking out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.